This is literally a Bratz doll lip. Yep, that was the one. I'm not ready to let it go. It is so cute, guys. Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my beauty room. You guys have never seen this room before. You've never been in it. I don't know how I feel about this camera setup. Let me know, but it's convenient. So if we like it, we could do makeup tutorials, chit chat videos here all the time. So for today's video, I have something exciting to announce. So you guys must have heard of Fashion Nova before. At least 1 year, Fashion Nova was the most searched fashion brand on Google, above Louis Vuitton. So that's crazy. I don't know where it stands now, but that was a thing at a point. So they're huge. You must know about them. They just launched their beauty brand, Nova Beauty. So this is the giant box Nova Beauty sent me to share with you guys and review and give my first impressions. So first off, I want to say thank you, Nova Beauty, for sponsoring this video and giving me the chance to try out these products before everyone else and share what I think about them to you guys. I'm already wearing a lip combo on me right now, so kind of a teaser. It's always so fun when huge fashion brands start a beauty line. This is where my two worlds collide, you know? So for this video, I'm gonna test out the products, tell you what I think, tell you the prices, all of that fun stuff. From receiving this package, I've tried out so many more different lip combos than I would ever normally do. Like, when was the last time I wore an orange lip? Now I'm into it. Now I just brought in so many other lipsticks that are like colorful, but it's cute, it's good. It's summertime, so I'm gonna be able to do fun stuff like this, and obviously the orange and the blue contrast, it's good. And I'm glad that they brought it back into my life. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, chill, maybe do your makeup with me, and we'll just hang out. All right, enough rambling, let's just get right into the video. I just like halfway took off my lip because I was gonna start a new look, but I want to touch on some things first. But the way that this just like stained my lips a little bit is so cute. Okay. All right, so here's what they launched. They launched 26 cream lipsticks, 10 snatched lip liners. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Oh, and they have 12 high shine lip glosses. You see something moving over here? It's Leo hanging out. He's taking a little nap on the couch over here. This package made me try out a bunch of different shades that I normally would never do, and I ended up loving them, which is so awesome. So I'm excited to show you what my favorite kind of combinations are and new favorite lip colors, because I normally just stick to a brown, pinkish nude, a very brown lip liner. Like, I don't stray from that. I'm just putting some concealer on my lips to cancel out this color so you can see the true colors I use. So also forgive me if like my foundation around my lips starts to look really bad because I'm putting it on and then taking it off and then putting it on. Okay, so I'm gonna first show you what my favorite lip is. It's so good. I've tried a bunch of these out. I found that this was my favorite lip combo out of all of them. So first with the liner. So we're gonna do kind of a 90s like harsh lip liner kind of look. It's how I've been loving my lips lately. It just makes them look so plump and big. So there's 2 brown lip liners, which is amazing because it's usually hard to find like a good brown period for makeup brands, and there's 2. And there's even like nudes, like it's just great. They have a really great shade range. Not quite in the fact where there's like every single version of every single color, because there is a lot of neutrals. Basically, they've made anything you might need. I'm gonna go in with brown number 1, which is a lighter one. I actually do like brown number 2, the darker one, for my lip liner for this look, but I kind of like to just start out with this and then I'll add the darker in little spots as necessary. Unfortunately, I'm not the best at talking and lining my lips, so let me just do that first, then I'll get back to it. So the lip liners are very, very creamy, which I like for a few reasons. I'm lazy, so I like to just kind of do it all in one run and then like get out the door. It's the last thing I do on my face. When some lip liners are more dry, it's like you have to be really precise. If you don't make it really precise, it looks bad. And you can't like blend it at all. It's just like, I want to say like, you know what I mean, but I think that would be doing my job wrong because I'm supposed to be explaining to you guys. See that? Yeah, that's what I mean about the creamy, just like do and go kind of situation. And the shape of the pencil too also makes it easy. I didn't mention the pricing on these yet, which is the best part of it. These lip liners are $10. The lipsticks are $12 and the lip glosses are $14. You know, I do love a good, bougie, high-end makeup product, but there are just some makeup products that you don't need expensive versions of. So I'm so glad that they started with lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, because those are the exact things that you don't need some crazy expensive product for. So this is perfect. I'm really happy that they decided to do the lips. So on the other side of the lip pencils, they have this little brush that is so cute. And this is basically to turn your lip liner into a lipstick, which we love because it's using less product. You don't have to fill in your lips completely with the whole pencil, which I normally do. You can kind of just blend it like that. Also makes it easy. You can just bring one thing out into your purse when you're going out. Lip liner, smudge it into a lipstick, you're good. But yeah, so that's great. When I first ever opened these and used it, I used it in a different way. I will show you guys later. Maybe you guys can guess what I ended up doing with it. Leo! Brown number 1. So I was worried it would defeat the purpose of a lip liner by like holding your lipstick in by being too creamy, but that's not the case because it really is like setting and drying into my skin. Now this is my favorite lipstick from this whole thing because I've been looking for a lipstick like this forever. So basically I've been really looking for a color like this. This is their cream lipstick in Tone, and this is one of their matte shades. So they have 3 different types of lipsticks. They have the matte, they have the satin, and they have the shimmer. So here's a matte one. Basically, to do the lip that I've been loving, the 90s, like over-exaggerated lip liner, I needed something really, really light and neutral to brighten it up in the middle. So this one is so good, just like that. And then boom, it just gives some really good dimension. Even though it's matte, it doesn't feel gross and dry, and it doesn't look like I'm dead and like flat, which is really easy to happen when doing a lip look like this. I think this turned out pretty well with that lighter brown lip liner, but if I'm trying to do something a little bit more dramatic, then I'll take the brown number 2 and like add a little bit of that. I was using my eyebrow pencils before because I couldn't find a lip liner that was perfect for this, but these are literally the 2 perfect browns. So here's the color, the shading, the depth, the beauty. We love it. It looks great. It feels great. I like it. So yeah, that is my favorite kind of lip combo, but we're not done yet. So there's like a gloss like this that would match perfect, and then there's a clear gloss that would be easy, but something was just telling me this was going to be perfect, and right. This is their lip gloss in If You Know, You Know. You know, you know. So I'll just put this in the middle right here. I normally would leave it matte, like how I had it before was normally how I would do it and go out with, but I wanted to try this out, and when I tried it out, it was beautiful. Normally I don't like lip glosses because they're just sticky and uncomfortable, but this feels really, really smooth. Tell me this is not a Bratz doll. This is literally a Bratz doll lip. Like this, I look like a doll. So I figured out that combo and I love it, and I'm so happy that I found it and they made it. They know what they're doing. I love it. I don't want to take it off because it's so cute, but let's try another one because I can't. I'm literally taking selfies on my iPad because I'm not ready to let it go. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the satin lips. We're gonna do the brightest, most bubblegum pink lip ever. I'm gonna use their lip liner in the color Magenta 01, just a bright purpley pink. Let's do it. Wow, this is kind of sending me back to the purple lipstick days. If you guys have been around, do you remember when I would do that? I don't even know like how I incorporated that into my videos, but I just really vividly remember purple lips being a huge thing for me. So using that brush, I just blend that in and it looks so good. Tell me why I just got it. I really was like, yeah, you just use a brush and then it just like blends it out. Like you can just fill in your lips and like blend it, use less product, and it's a lipstick now. But like, if you line your lips and then you blend it, it's like the lip liner and the lipstick together. Good. She got it. So now for the most amazing lipstick you might have ever seen. I don't know. I'm just blown away by it. Look at this. This is the like brightest. It has like a little bit of different colors on it because I was using it, but I can't believe that this is so unlike me to be loving this, but I just do. So let's go. Like, do you see how easy that went on? I really feel like this summer I'm gonna be playing around with these lip colors. I've just been feeling the vibe of like focusing on skin and being glowy and fresh and snatched, like simple little eyeliner, and then we can have fun with whatever lip we want to do. So for our glosses, this one is Period and this one is Select. I don't think I've used this one Select yet. I have not. Let's do it. I like to start in the center because I've really been liking the way that adding dimension to your lip makes them look like so much more juicy and full. So we're gonna start there. Wow. It's so cute. It is so cute, guys. So this is our satin lip. We used the sparkly gloss. Now, if we think this is sparkly, we're gonna move on to our shimmer lipsticks. So let me take this off and let's do it. So let me show you the 3 shimmer shades. We have Lavish, which is this really vampy purple. This is Sequin, which is a similar color, but a lot more shimmery and reflective. And then this is Daze, which is this orangey, really shimmery color, kind of similar to the finish of the last one. So I did try the purple ones out. I have not tried Daze yet. What I realized about these shimmer lipsticks, I'm normally always afraid of using these lipsticks. When I tried out the purple one, what kind of validated the way I felt about them is that I think they're just better for darker skin tones. As you can tell, I'm so pale. And if you do have a very beautiful, rich or tan, dark skin tone, I feel like that's when these shimmer lipsticks like look the best. So once I did the purple, I realized like orange would have been the way to go. So again, for this color, there are so many different shades of their lip liners that could work for this, but I decided to go with nude number 2. I forgot to tell you what I would use this for. Basically, when it's clean like this, I feel like it's the perfect shape to carve out a lip liner, maybe concealer if you want, and then just use my finger to blend the lip liner. You know, up to you. Now let's line. I'm gonna fill this one in. So what I meant is I would go like this, just like to clean her up. Quite handy. Now this is gonna be a genuine first impressions. Obviously we've established that the products are good, I like them. This honestly just comes down to like, does it work with my skin tone? Okay, that's so subtle. I'm so glad that it's light. This is cute. I honestly might not use a lip liner with this. I feel like this on its own is just something that's like pretty, catches the light. Wow, I really feel like this is good for sun-kissed, bronzy skin. And I like to do this where like I tap the excess off the lip, like rub my fingers together, and then I'll like put it on my cheeks. And it kind of just brings the whole look together. And I think that's perfect for this look because it's giving me like a little sun-kissed, sunburnt vibe. Yeah, so definitely if I were to wear this outside of this video, if I am going to line my lips, I will not overline them just because it's too much of a different kind of color payout. Since we're coming to the end of this video, I think might as well let's throw a gloss on it and see how it looks. So here are 3 that could work. This is too bright. This sparkle could just enhance the already shimmery lipstick, but also this, I like how these colors go together, but I don't want to get rid of this sparkle. This is our shimmer look, so we're gonna go shimmer. This is the lip gloss in Thirsty. Yeah, I think this is a good choice because this is a more sheer, natural look, and this looks like a really pretty gloss that you can kind of just wear on its own too. Yep, that was the one. That was the gloss for it. Now let's take out the hair and wrap this baby up. So guys, that was my review, tutorial, first impressions of Nova Beauty by Fashion Nova. Insane. I genuinely am a really big fan of these products. I think they're incredible for the price. The colors are gorgeous. I'm a fan. Honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of Fashion Nova and them creating Nova Beauty. Let me know what your favorite lip was that I did today. Also let me know down below what other kind of videos you want to see from me. I just got this new camera. We're using her. She's very high quality, so kind of not forgiving, but I'm very excited. It feels very much like easy for me to just set up and record. I'm kind of thinking of doing more raw, just vlog for say a month, wrap it all up, make a story out of whatever content I get, just super casual and fun and personal. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.